everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me again. Today I have my BoxyCharm premium box for the month of August 2021. If you are not familiar with this box, BoxyCharm offers 3 different types of subscriptions. This is the premium, which is $35 a month. It has at least 6 full-size products in it and a value of at least $175. I am very excited to see what's in here. We're going to get started on this here box and find out what's inside. So guys, when I pop my box open, this is what I see. As usual, BoxyCharm does include a little card inside your box to let you know what the box is about. This month the box is called Go All Out, is the theme for the month, and our card here tells us what's included inside, as well as what version of the box that we have. They do different variations of boxes, so you can have so many different kind of things that you can get in your box that can be different from someone else's. So I have version C2108-078-PM, which means premium. Guys, if you are new to my channel, thanks for watching. I so appreciate it. I do weekly unboxings on this channel of different subscription boxes. I do beauty and lifestyle unboxings, and BoxyCharm is one of the main boxes that I do every month. So stay tuned every month if you want to see what I get. You know, I'm not one of the big YouTubers, so I don't get anything special. I get the same stuff that you order, so stick around. So let's get into this box. So let's toss this over here. Oh, so the first thing I pull out is LaRousse, and this is the face disc, and I believe this is used to take off your makeup. This has a value of $24, and it says wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution for disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to reusability and washability. It's made out of organic bamboo cotton that has soft plush fibers that will gently remove the impurities. So let's see. So you only get 3 in here, which I don't see how much sustainable you're going to be, but okay. Most of us use probably like, you'll need at least 1 of these to take your makeup off. I mean, you would be washing these every 3 days or something. It'd be different if they gave you like enough for a week, like at least give you 7. But for $24, I wouldn't buy this personally. I'll use it because it came in my box, but I don't know. I know I've seen this starting to pop up in the subscription boxes with these eco-friendly alternatives, and I think it's great. We find ways to not make waste, but they just don't give you enough for the money. I'm not going to spend $24 on 3 of these to take off makeup. I don't know. That's just me. But I digress. Let's move on. Let's move on. So the next item that I'm pulling out of my box here is Zueva. So this is the powerful lip twist lipstick in the color Rouge. So this comes in this little box here, and I have the cost of this is $14, and it says hug your lips with a high precision and powerful charge of pigment. Oh, what color is this? Phoebe is the color that they sent me. Come on, Phoebe. And this is what it looks like outside of the box. And let's take a look at what the color looks like on. This is a really uber-like color. I've already broken the tip. As usual, I always break stuff. I put too much pressure on this, and it was probably too soft from being in the heat. It's an okay color. I mean, I would have to dress it up maybe with some lip gloss or something. It's just okay. I'm not over the hills. It's just like a really light color here. So, all right. So far, not uber impressed with this box, but okay. We'll see what else is in here. The next product I have is from Vesca, and this is the Lush Glow Creamy Lip Oil. So this product has a value of $26, guys, and it's inspired by the lush tropical gardens. This is a high pigmented, creamy lip treatment infused with Tahitian coconut oil and vitamin E. Oh, orchid is the color. I found it on the back. Ooh, this is uber pinky. Uber pinky. Oh, wow. Maybe it doesn't come out as pink. Let's see. Oh, no, it's not super. It looks uber pinky, but it looks how it comes out on as a lip gloss. Like, it's more like a lip gloss. So it's kind of thins out. You can tone it up or down, I'm assuming, as much as you want, but it doesn't look exactly as dark as it is in here, which is great for me. I can do this color. I can't do as dark as I thought it was going to be, so that works. I'll try that one. That'll be good. And the next product I have is OC rather, Sea Minerals Mist, and this product here, guys, has a $38 value, and it says balance and soothe skin with this supercharged toning mist. OC's proprietary blend of nutrient rich seaweed visibly evens and tones your skin, while minerals work their magic, cooling and refreshing. The aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun drenched skin. Micro cloud mist is ideal delivery system. So this is 3 fluid ounces, and we've been getting a lot of these mists. I swear, like every other month I'm getting another mist. I've been giving them away. I can't even get through them. Let's see, because it is hot. You know, this week uber hot. I've had enough with the heat. Doesn't have a smell. A lot came out. I wasn't expecting it. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit lighter, but I feel like I got rained on. So I'm like, I feel like I got rained on. I hope I don't look like I got water dripping down my face. Goodness gracious. So we're moving on. The next product that I got, guys, is this Wishful Honey Balm. I was hoping I got this. This I was looking forward to. So this is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. It has a value of $48, guys. And this is a luxurious textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while the niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearances of pores. Oh, so I do like niacinamide, because if anybody has acne prone skin like me, and you get a pimple and you get a dark spot and it seems like it takes forever to get rid of it, then you probably would like niacinamide too. So this is how it comes, and it has the little protective cover here, and this is what it looks like. So it is a thicker base. It does have a weird texture from what I'm seeing here. But I like the fact that they said that it has a 24-hour lock-in moisture. Heading into the fall, my skin can get real funky with the weather changing. And I do have sometimes where I have like dry spots like around the mouth area. So hopefully this will work and help me with that. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. That'll be dope. And my final product, which was a surprise to me, was not expecting to get this. So I received the this is the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager, and this is made by Lux and Willow. This has a value, guys, of $79.99. Wow. So it's supposed to be, the benefits of this thing is it's supposed to remove eye pooch, rejuvenate skin cells, and relaxes facial muscles. So this is how it comes in its box. I'm not going to bother to pull it out because I have no intentions of using it right away. But I like the little bougie things to make me feel good when I'm having spa day. So this is like right on time. So this has a $79.99 value. And I like all these bougie facial massagers of any kind. That is my thing. So this will be fun to try for spa day. So I like this. So guys, that is my box. So let's quickly go over what I have. So I received the facial massager. Happy about that. I received the Wishful Honey Balm, which I was hoping I would get that. Then we have the OC Sea Mineral Mist. We have the Vesca Lip Oil. We have Zueva Lipstick. And we have the LaRousse Makeup Removers Disc, Face Disc. So that is my whole box. Not particularly. Let me know what products out of here you guys were interested to see. If you want to see me use this facial massager, just leave me something in the comments to let me know, and I can do like a little spa day video for you guys with all the things that I've acquired from these subscription boxes. And let me know what products you liked in here. If you thought this box was a dud, just let me know what you thought about this box. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please stop by and watch another one of my videos. I post weekly. I look forward to seeing you guys at my next unboxing. But for now,